I'm sure let's go ahead. Nice package. I get duplicate. Next package. That's the same package that I thought. Tap it. Okay. I tapped it. Hunter, yes. Next package that I got from you. Basic rare card. Next thing is, tap the Pokemon ball to see it. I got none of the Ds. Okay, so the last Pokemon card is